Here's $60.
Okay, you can drop the whole act. Where's Danny? Where's Danny?
This is crazy.
What happened?
She's like questioning him right now. Like she found out.
Really?
So she does know who I am and what I do, but at the moment, I'm not really getting the sense that she herself believes 100% that she's going through a test. So I am going to try to play this off.
I'm lost.
Okay.
What's happening? I'm lost. I'm really lost. I don't understand.
Can you please go get Danny?
Who is Danny?
Oh god, I'm fucked.
Now Sergio's like, who's Danny? Like, he's trying to play it off.
You do what? Keep digging?
Yes, I know. That's my brand.
Dude.
That's my merch. This is my merch. Why do you think I told you I was making
My
t-shirts
friend
and stuff?
watches you.
Oh shit.
Okay,
I know about
this
you.
is my YouTube channel. It's
So you mean to tell me this isn't another one of those pranks?
what pranks? I don't do pranks. What are you talking about?
He's still trying to get his way out of it though. That's the good part.
Okay, I'm trying to understand. What do you think this is?
What
What do you think this is? I'm trying to see if you.
You just try to offer me all of that money.
Okay. Yeah, because
Why?
because you did a gig for me.
Should
Okay.
we watch one of your episodes right now?
Okay. Explain to me what you think this is, please. Just tell me what you think this is.
Is this another one of these?
So now she started playing one of my episodes. At this point, all hope is lost. Even if I continue to lie, phase 3 would still be compromised. It's time to come clean, tell her the truth, and hope for the best. At least for Danny, not me.
She like looking at the video saying,
She
"This is
literally
another."
pulled up a video.
She's not
of that.
playing.
So what does he think like?
I mean, you've obviously seen some episodes your friend watches or whatnot, so you obviously know that Danny, in order for him to do this, had to have some sort of reason or was feeling like some kind of way and stuff like that in order for him
What
to
kind
do
of way
this.
was he feeling?
I don't want to speak for him and
Okay,
stuff.
obviously he told you though.
But I don't want to speak for him. Like, I can't speak for him and stuff.
So I'm just supposed to be a gold digger?
No, you're not supposed to be a gold digger. Like, it was kind of like a test and stuff. And he wanted to see if he would end up passing around, like, going out with me after I offered you so much money. And
What way is he feeling? Can I know, please?
Okay, and would you like to speak with Danny?
Yeah, I've been calling for him.
I'm going to go get him so you can talk to him and stuff. That's if he wants to come down and stuff. Okay?
He's gonna come down.
Damn, this gonna be like South Korea versus North Korea, World War II.
All right, first off, Jay, both North Korea and South Korea were not in World War II. Second off, how did she figure this out? Maybe your friend does watch this show. Maybe she herself has seen an episode. Maybe she even knew what was going on since phase 1, but she was just playing along. Or maybe it was my fault because I made it too obvious by using my merch. And actually, now that I think about it, that was probably it.
There goes Sergio.
What in the world? She watches my videos. You have to tell me she watches these videos. That way I don't play the decoy. I get Jay to play it. I get Denzel to play it. I get somebody else to play it. I'm over here making it all obvious. I got the merch going. I got the Uni going. I got the keychain. What the heck? What are you gonna do now? You got a tough decision to make now, man. She wants to talk to you. I came up here to ask you if you want to talk to her also.
I mean, at this point,
Yeah.
the only thing I could do is talk to her.
Okay, so you know exactly what you want to say. You want to go inside and have a little conversation with her? Why are you laughing?
He's fucked.
Stop laughing. You are a horrible person. Why are you laughing?
Jay, you are an evil person for making me laugh with you. But you're absolutely right. At this point, the best thing for him to do is to simply talk to his girlfriend.
You had to know, you had to find out, so that's why we did this. You had a good reason for doing this. Don't forget that. Okay?
I'm gonna take the blame on this one for failing, but the merch was just too fire. I just had to show it off. If you guys love our content and you guys want to find a way to support us even more, you can do so by heading to our website, udimerch.com. There you're gonna find the latest and greatest shirts that we just dropped. We had nothing but you guys in mind when it came to design, quality, and price. But anyways, it is time to end this video. So if you guys already went through one bag of Takis, and you guys might want to go grab another one because you guys already know this shit's gonna be good.
Korea, you've seen the show. The cameras are here. They'll only be here for like 2 or 3 minutes max. Cool? Okay.
So what way are you feeling? Why did you do this? Did you have some type of gold digger or something? You have something to ask me? Did I do anything wrong? What?
I don't know.
How do you not know? You have all these cameras here, like what? Tell me now.
Okay.
You set this up. I haven't done anything wrong.
I just don't like how sometimes you go out super late, you don't text me back, sometimes you just ignore me.
That's it? Really? That's your reason?
Yes, it's a big deal because...
Because what? Why don't you just text me or call me or what? You want to put a GPS tracker
What do you
on
mean?
me?
All I do is text you, and then you act like you're trying to hide something.
How?
Or you don't even text me back for days. That's what bothers me the most. Like, how does it take you days to respond on to the person that you're actually dating.
I'm busy. You know this. I go to school. I go to work. Like, I'm busy. You know
I get
this.
it, but that's not what I'm saying. I guess I just...
Then what are you saying? Because I don't know what you're talking
Look,
about.
what I'm saying is I don't know if you like me or not, okay? I show you that I like you with my actions and what I do for you. And
Okay, so you're trying to say that I don't like you now or that I don't have feelings for you? You think I don't want to be with you anymore?
I mean, I don't know if you do or don't, because honestly, right now, I feel like I'm just a normal guy to you. I mean, you don't treat me like a boyfriend. You don't text me back. You blow me off when I try to go on a date with you.
Okay, you understand. I can't text you 24/7 and I can't hang out with you whenever you want to hang out. You know that, right?
Yes, I know you can't, but that's not even what I want. That's not even what I want. I just
Then what
want
do you
to...
want? Let me know.
I just want to feel like you care for me. Look, something as simple as this. You can just text me in the morning saying something like, hey, hope you have a great day. I'm gonna be busy all day, but I'll text you later tonight. Something as simple as that shows me that I'm on your mind.
Okay, if that's what you want, I'll do it.
No, don't do it because it's what I want. Do it because it's what you want. Look, Korea, I just want to feel like I'm being played, okay?
You know I want to be with you though. So
Then show it, okay? Because what if I did to
been
you?
showing it?
What if I did to you what you did to me? Okay, what if I blew you off for 3 days, didn't text you back, ignored you? How would you feel? You'd feel like I was just playing you,
I see
right?
what you're saying, but I've never done anything, so why don't you trust me?
Korea, I barely see you or talk to you, and we only live 35 minutes away from each other.
Only 35 minutes?
Yes.
Do you hear yourself? That's far.
No, it's not. Do you see what I'm saying, though? Do you get my point?
I go to work, I go to school. What am I doing wrong? What's so bad about
But you're
that?
also in a relationship with me, and if you want me to stick around, then you have to give me a reason to stick around. Because if I'm being
Really?
100% honest, I really feel like you're forgetting about me. And if that's what you want, or you just want to focus on yourself, then fine, but tell me so I can forget about you too.
That's not what I want, and you know
Well,
that.
something's got to change, Korea. Because right now, I really feel like you don't even like me. I feel like you're just talking to other guys. And honestly, any other guy in my position right now would have probably dumped you or found someone else.
Oh,
I've just been waiting patiently. But patience has its limits, and mine's running out.
Okay,
Honest.
it's been over 2 or 3 minutes. Let me get these cameras out of here. I see how you guys are seeing it in both different ways, but maybe you guys can come to some middle ground or something. But I'm gonna get these cameras out of here and stuff. That way you guys can have a conversation without them hearing, without having to feel like you guys have to be dramatic about the decisions that you guys make. Honestly, like, don't even worry about how long you guys take and stuff. We'll just be outside whenever you guys are done.
Damn it, I gotta take a piss.
You can't just text me back. Like, honestly, like, why do you leave me on red and all that shit? Like, it don't make sense.